done my mushroom searching. Alright. I can't believe this. We checked this log from the front as we walked by. We could see it from the path. But I didn't see it. It had one hatchling on it. Is this any good? What the heck? It is good. It's pale, but it's good. It's not that good. I'll bring it home anyway. You can see I made a great harvest off of here. So I said, let me just check it in the spring. See, we grew all around here. This is first week of May. Something like that. Let's get out of here. I got one more log to check.